Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by laying out parts and tools so nothing slows you down. You'll remove the silicone tip or grill first. This exposes the speaker module and keeps debris out. Use a magnifier and a steady hand because the screws and clips are tiny. Once done, gently pry the back shell with a spudger at the seam to avoid cracking. Make sure to note screw sizes and their positions. Organization prevents reassembly mistakes later. You'll now access the speaker and old mesh. This is the delicate part. Unscrew in a controlled pattern and place each screw in labeled compartments so you don't mix lengths. Once the cover lifts, detach the ribbon cable by prying its latch. You'll feel a small click when it releases. Then, use tweezers to peel the worn mesh away, scraping adhesive gently with a plastic tool so the new mesh will sit flat. Make sure to clean this around to ensure proper sealing and sound quality. To finish, you'll place the replacement mesh centered over the speaker and press firmly so the adhesive bonds evenly. An uneven seal causes rattle or loss of bass. Reconnect the ribbon cable, ensuring the latch locks, then reseat the speaker and replace screws in their original holes. Once closed, power on and play test audio at low volume, increasing to normal levels. If you hear distortion or no sound, reopen and check contacts and mesh seating. Often a tiny misalignment is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.